Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Days. Today I wanted to show you, in a month of picking berries, a little over a month maybe, I wanted to show you what I have going right now. It saves me a lot of dollars on the homestead, I can tell you that, because we don't go to town and buy berries. We always use what we have. Lots of times I make jellies and jams out of them, and some of them I keep fresh just for pies, eating fresh with yogurt or in smoothies or whatever you want berries for. But we're going to show you the berries, what kind of berries I've harvested so far, and we have many berries still coming on. So, and I want you to tell about the price. These we just started picking. These are blackberries. Blackberries are nearly $5 a pound, like $4.59 for organic blackberries. And these are organic. They grew in the woods. They did not have any chemicals added to them or anything like that. So I have approximately a pint here. It's not going to be quite a pound. So $4.59, you would say at least maybe $3 right now worth of blackberries. Strawberries are usually something you can get pretty reasonable. Our strawberries are just making a few now, right? I've just been harvesting a few along, but I have a quart and a half right now. $3.22 for a pound. So I'd say that's a good pound or a little better. So strawberries will continue for a while. These are ever-bearing strawberries, and the blackberries will go on for the next 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, this is an unusual little creature here. This is the Mayhaws. We have about 4 or 5 trees that we planted 3 years ago. This is the first time they've ever bare. So I've only got a few. This is probably 1/2 to 3/4 of a quart bag, not even a pound. These are approximately $12 a gallon. And like you say, I don't even have a quart, so $2.50, maybe not even $2.50, $2 for that. These are my mulberries. The mulberry trees did not produce as well this year. Usually I would have 2 to 3 times more mulberries than I have. But with the fluctuation in the weather and all the things that happened, it would be hot one day, cool the next. They would dry up and fall off before they ever got ripe. I managed to harvest 6 quarts. These are a little expensive. They're $10 a pound. And I probably have probably between 3 and 4 pounds of these. So at $10 a pound, you're looking at 30 to 40 bucks right here of mulberries. It's pretty good savings. These are our pride and joy. These are huckleberries. They are doing wonderful. I've still got some to pick, but right now, guys, huckleberries. I have a gallon and started on another quart here. So these things, $89.99 a gallon. So 90 bucks right here I've done saved, if you can look at it that way. It takes a while to pick them. They're little, they're like BBs, but 90 bucks right here. You're looking at this whole thing, all these berries that I have here, and I'm not through. We will still be picking more huckleberries, more strawberries, more blackberries, and in the future, blueberries and raspberries. Both of those are coming in. So I've still got plenty coming on, and guys, at least 3 to 4 times this harvest. This probably saved me about nearly 150 bucks right here just in berries. So I think that's a good savings. If you have berries on your homestead, if you have to go foraging, it takes a little time, but it saves you money in the long run. Thank you from Crazy Days.